What's the meaning of bearing? Bearing. Bearing.
Bearing. Bearing. The term bearing can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it refers to the direction or orientation of an object or person relative to a fixed point or reference. For example, in navigation, bearing refers to the angle between a fixed reference point, such as true north, and the direction in which a ship or airplane is traveling. In mechanics, bearing can refer to a component that supports and reduces friction in rotating machinery, such as a ball bearing. Additionally, in interpersonal relationships, bearing can refer to the way a person carries themselves, reflecting their overall demeanor and attitude.